Split phase induction motor. Split phase induction motor is also called a resistance start motor. It has a single case rotor and its stator has two windings. One is the main winding and another is the starting winding, which is called the auxiliary winding. The main winding and the starting winding are displaced 90 degrees in space like the winding in a two-phase induction motor. The main winding has a very low resistance and high inductive reactance. The current Im in the main winding lags behind the supply voltage V by nearly 90 degrees, which is shown in figure number A. The auxiliary winding has a resistor connected in series with it. It has high resistance and low inductive reactance, so that the current Ia in the auxiliary winding is nearly in phase with the line voltage. Thus, there is time difference between the currents in two windings. The time phase difference phi is not 90 degree but usually of the order of 30 degree. This phase difference is enough to produce a rotating magnetic field. Since the current is two main windings are not equal, the rotating field is not uniform and the starting torque is smaller, of the order of 1.5 to 2 times the rated running torque. The main and the auxiliary winding are connected in parallel during starting. The starting winding is disconnected from the supply automatically when the motor reaches speed about 70 to 80% of synchronous speed. The motor rated about 100 watt or more. A centrifugal switch is used to disconnect the starting winding. For smaller motors, a relay is often used in place of a centrifugal switch. The relay is connected in series with the main winding. At the time of starting, a heavy current flows in a relay coil, causing its disconnect to close. The bridge the starting winding into the circuit. As the motor reaches its predetermined speed of order of 70 to 80% of synchronous speed, the current through the relay coil decreases. Consequently, the relay opens and disconnects the auxiliary winding from the main supply, and the motor then runs only the main winding. Figure B shows the torque slip characteristics of the motor, which also shows the speed and note at the centrifugal operates. The starting torque of a resistance start induction motor is about 1.5 times full load torque. The maximum or pull out torque is about 2.5 times full load torque at about 75% of synchronous speed. The split phase motor has a starting current which is usually 7 to 8 times the full load value. Reversal of the direction of rotation. This motor continues to run in the direction in which it is started. The direction of rotation of resistance start induction motor may be reversed by reversing the line connections of either the main windings or the starting windings. The motor must be brought to rest. For this purpose, that is, the reversal of rotation can be made only when the motor is stand still but not while running. Applications of split phase induction motor. Split phase motors are cheap and they are most suitable for easily started loads where frequency of starting is limited. The common applications which is used in washing machines, air conditioning fans, food mixers, grinders, floor polishers, blowers, centrifugal pumps, small drills, lathes, office machinery, dairy machinery, etc. Because of the low starting torque, they are seldom used for drives requiring more than 1 kilowatt. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.